Writing the abstract of your research paper can feel deceptively simple. After all, it's just one paragraph, right? But that single paragraph is your paper's handshake with the world. It has to summarize months, sometimes years, of research in just 150 to 250 words. A good abstract doesn't replace your paper, it stands on its own. It tells readers what problem you studied, how you studied it, what you found, and why it matters. That's the entire research story, told in miniature. Think of it this way, your abstract is the first, and sometimes the only, part people will read. Editors, reviewers, and readers all decide whether to keep going based on those few lines. It also determines how searchable and citable your work becomes in databases. So clarity, focus, and precise wording matter as much as your data itself. Start broad, but stay sharp. Open with context, 1 or 2 sentences that set the scene. Define the research area and the gap your study addresses. Instead of many studies have looked at X, write X remains poorly understood because Y. That line tells the reader both what's known and what's missing. Then, describe your approach. One clean, specific sentence can do it. Mention the dataset, model, or method that drives your study. For example, we analyzed 5,000 patient records using a mixed effects survival model to isolate the effect of Z. That's all it takes, concrete, concise, and credible. Next comes the heart of your abstract, the result. Be direct. Use numbers if you can, they speak clearly. We found a 26% increase in X under Y. One crisp sentence can carry your entire message. Avoid vague phrases like promising results or interesting findings. Tell the reader exactly what you discovered. Finish with the conclusion. Answer: so what? Summarize the main implication or contribution of your work, and if relevant, suggest the broader application. For instance, these findings suggest that intervention A reduces risk in population B, informing clinical decisions about C. Keep it concise and tied to evidence. Once you draft your abstract, revise ruthlessly. Remove redundancy, simplify complex phrases, and ensure every sentence serves the core story. Make it clear, accurate, and compelling, the kind of abstract that makes readers open your paper and build on your work. A well-crafted abstract summarizes the problem, method, results, and significance, all in a few powerful sentences. Mastering it will make your research more discoverable, readable, and impactful. For more practical tips on writing, publishing, and mastering scientific papers, visit sciscribe.dev, where research writing becomes simple, structured, and effective.